What's up? Welcome back. We jump into Anki for linear algebra. What are the elementary row operations on a matrix? You can swap two rows or interchange two rows. You can multiply a row through by a constant. Is it a non-zero constant? You can multiply a row through by a non-zero constant. Yeah. You can't just zero the whole thing. Yeah, non-zero constant. And then you can add a constant times a row to another. Cool. Non-zeros, right? Good. All right, so today we're going to be just working on that proof I was working on yesterday. So if I get through it, then I'll come back. If not, I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, guys, I've struggled for a while here. I'm not making any progress at this point, so I'm going to use ChatGPT and Quizlet. Actually, I'm going to start with Quizlet to try to figure out. Actually, I'm going to start with ChatGPT. I'm going to use both to try to figure out how to do this and understand what the answer is. So, all right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, I don't know. This is not really written well as a proof, but I kind of walked through the whole thing with ChatGPT. Basically, we're just doing elementary row operations. Yeah, I'm ass at proofs. It's the first proof I've ever attempted. I'll save that again. We can come back to that again sometime, but I think it's valuable to keep moving forward. Because we could spend weeks on this, and I'm trying to move forward, so we're gonna keep moving forward. This kind of makes me hesitant, like, oof, man, should I go and try and learn to do proofs, buy a textbook on proofs before continuing this? But hey, man, we're just gonna push through. We've done a lot of work with studying proofs. We spent a couple hours so far attempting proofs and studying, like watching YouTube videos on proofs. I understand the basics, I understand the abstract, but actually applying them is pretty difficult. But it would just take practice, so it is what it is. That's it for today. I'll talk to you later. See ya.